Hello everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate how to use ordinary Bellpush switches to control your room's lights, curtains, fan and TV etc. in Crestron Home Automation without using any keypad. I have used two Bellpush at the entrance of room and two on each side of bed. At the entrance, first Bellpush is used as master switch that is used to turn lights on and off. If you press and hold it for more than 1 second, it will turn off all the electrical devices in the room. Second switch on entrance is used to turn on, off and to control the speed of ceiling fan. On both sides of bed inner Bellpush is used to turn on lighting scenes. Second switch on the curtain side of bed is used to open or close curtains. On the other side second switch is used to control the ceiling fan. Let us see practically how it works. As I enter the room and press first Bellpush switch, first lighting scene turns on. Second Bellpush turns on the fan. Bedside outer Bellpush open the curtains. As I enter dressing, presence sensor turns on light automatically. While leaving room I do not need to turn off lights, curtains, fan or TV individually. Just pressing the first Bellpush for 1 second turns off the lights, TV, fan and close the curtain. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and share.